Are you looking for a hobby farm type property? Welcome to 62094 Dundee Garson Road. Let's go take a look. This home is the ultimate grandma house nestled on a stunning 58-acre lot and has been meticulously maintained by the original owner. This property is perfect for hobby farmers, homesteaders, home-based businesses, and anyone seeking a private yet connected setting. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers 1,326 square feet of living space. Featuring a spacious double-attached garage, updated shingles, windows, doors, a new furnace and AC, a new well, a new septic tank, and more. This solid home just needs your cosmetic upgrades. The 10-acre yard site is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts with a pole shop, chicken coop, horse or cattle stall barn, fruit orchard, large garden, and more. You can set up your own Aunt Sally's farm. Plus, 48 acres are rented for farming, generating income. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Call us today to book an appointment at 204-803-6674.